moly me, oh my. And that's not even half of it. I'm gonna need your help because I hope you're ready to win some of this stuff. Hello, beautiful people, and welcome. Today, we're gonna be opening up Beauty PR. Stay tuned at the end of this video for a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away some of this stuff. I know that I don't know what I know. I should be better at this. I've been doing this for so many years. Usually whenever I'm sharing my PR, I've already opened it and I know what's inside. So I'm gonna be kind of like surprised with some of these things. So let's get into it. Thrive Cosmetics, what do we got? Hydrating Shine Lip Tint. This is gonna be exciting. I love that we get sent these kinds of things to try out stuff and to really understand the best of the best. It came with like really cute stickers. Look at that. Hydrating lip tint in the color Amy. It's a peach pink shimmer. You guys can see. Oh wow, that's like really sparkly. I'm not sure that I like it with this particular makeup look. Huh, what? It's actually not too bad. The smell is giving me like nostalgic vibes. Do you guys remember like makeup palettes that they would have for like kids? You know, it has the same like scent, like it smells just like it. That's so nostalgic. Okay, this is cool. Love Thrive. I love Thrive Cosmetics for what they stand for, but also I love their formulas. They have some really great stuff. So if you haven't already tried Thrive, definitely try them out. I will have this in your giveaway box of whoever wins. Smashbox! This one came opened, I don't know why. I love when brands do handwritten letters. It's like, it makes me so indebted to them because I love handwritten notes. Hi Brie, I hope you're having an amazing summer, which I'm so late opening this package. To celebrate our OG primer anniversary, oh, it was our anniversary. Teamed up with Noise so you can try primer and perfume together. Pro tip, applying primer to your neck or wrist before spritzing helps your scent last longer. I'm gonna try that. Enjoy. Smashbox. Oh, guys. You know this one. This is like the OG Smashbox with the Becca champagne pop. You know what I'm talking about? This is like one of the iconic ones. This is good. I had this for a long time. It's been a minute. Whoa. No. That is tragic. I know I can fix it, but geez. I can't tell you how many times that actually happens with PR gifts. I get so many gifts like that are completely just done. I'm gonna still use it. I'm gonna take this little thing and add some highlight. Because it still works. But they're celebrating the primer. You gotta love this. I love the primer for more of a glam makeup look. And then Noise. If you haven't tried this perfume brand, they're amazing. I really like a lot of their scents. This one's Love Club. Let's test it out. That's fresh. Top note is saffron and Sichuan pepper. Turkish pink is the middle note with rose, wild raspberry, and the base note is whipped marshmallow and ebony woods. Next package from Ilia. Lip imitates art. That's what it says. Ooh, I like this already. I haven't even tried it, but I know I'm gonna like this. A lip crayon. I've been loving lip crayons since Rhode came out with the lip shaper. This one is the Untitled. I know I already have some on. Don't come for me. I'm just gonna feel how it glides. I like it. I like that. It's buttery smooth. I kind of wish I did this on my makeup look than using the other one that I did, because this is stunning. I know you can't really tell much of a difference. I'm feeling it, and it feels really, really good. Hydrating crayon, yes. Love the shades. This is exciting. Perfect for girls that don't like to wear lip liner. Oh, I'm excited about this one. I'm really late on this one, but this is the Rare Beauty scent. The box is really cute. And I love the picture of Selena. That's so pretty. Oh, and it has like a locking mechanism, which is nice. It feels very light and floral based. I can't say light, it's not light. It's very strong and floral. Let me spray it on my arm. Maybe it will take different form. It almost gives me the Coco Chanel vibes. It wouldn't be my go-to. I really wanna like it, but it's not like hitting it for me. But it's not terrible, you know? Like I'm not saying ew. I just think that if you like really strong floral forward perfumes, this is good. But I'm also not like a pro when it comes to perfumes. I'm like kind of real basic with that. Toothpaste. They gave me every single color of their plump lip injection, which I love. I'm obsessed. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new shades. I have the original shades and I love them, but look how pretty this is. I know I'm putting it on top of something I already have, but it's okay, guys, because this has a plumping effect that's insane. And she's not too spicy, you know? This is the Ready For It shade. That one's pretty. I love how it's like a gloss and it looks really good on top of lipstick. What is this? Soul Grazer mascara. Lengthening mascara and lash boosting peptide serum in one. Let's look at the wand. Let's see. I can't use this right now because I will definitely clump if I use it on my eyelashes now, but I'm so excited to try this out. I love the packaging. I think it's stunning. And the brush looks like it's gonna really do some things. It also came with this Soul Gazer waterproof gel eyeliner. Let me try it out a little bit now. Ooh. I love how thin the pen is. We're gonna have fun with her. Curvilinear brush. What is that? Oh, I know it's just a spoolie and I'm making a big deal about a spoolie, but it's like really sharp and like I'm using it on the existing mascara that I have right now and it's like unclumping my lashes. I love a good spoolie. I think it's the same shape as the spoolie inside the mascara. So I think I'm gonna really like this, but I will let you guys know and we'll probably put this in a beauty video for sure. Flawless. We just did a collaboration with Love Shack Fancy. And so these are their new limited edition Forget the Filler Lip Pumping Smooth Soothing Gloss. I love the Forget the Filler gloss. If I were to compare the Too Faced to this, I would go for this one. If you want one, let me know in the comments because this is so cute. I'll just take one so that I can share with you. I think they look really good by themselves. I feel like the Too Faced ones look good applied to lipstick on top, but those ones look good right by themselves. This is another Too Faced product, Born This Way concealer. This one's really good. If I didn't just buy this, I would keep this, but I need to give it away. So if you have a similar skin tone as me, let me know in the comments as well, because I can send this to you because I just literally bought this because it was on sale for Ulta Beauty sale. Now I don't need it anymore. I have so many more packages, but I'm not gonna have any space. Be still my heart. I love Nars so much. I love Nars. I love these PR. They always give the best PR, literally. Like their stuff is always really, really amazing. I would save my paychecks to buy Nars, and the fact that I get sent this is like, don't stop dreaming. Don't stop believing. And a letter, Dear Bree, thank you for being part of the Nars community. As a thank you, we've curated this box with a full face of Nars, I can't read, apparently, for your enjoyment. Be bold, be unapologetic. Your friends at Nars. Love you guys. Love you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at all of this. Oh, my favorite, the Afterglow liquid blush, a light reflecting foundation. I've got 3 different shades of this one. If you are a similar skin tone to me, let me know because I have a couple of these shades. Ooh, what is these? This is their powder. I kind of want to try it right now. I haven't tried this before. The packaging of Nars is just like unlike anything else. This is the light reflecting setting powder. I already have a setting powder on, but I'm just very curious to see what this looks like. I'm gonna take my favorite Sigma brush and apply this because I'm telling you guys, I've been on the lookout for new setting powders that are not like, oh, I like this, not super intense, but just give you a little bit of control over like oil and stuff. This is nice. She will be making an appearance in other videos. Okay. Ooh, Orgasm Edge. So good. They even gave us a Laguna bronzer. Do you guys remember? If you've been like following YouTube and makeup, Laguna bronzer was like the bronzer. This one and the Hula from Benefit were like the bronzers of the time. And the Orgasm blush from Nars. Like those were like the OG. This is such a good bronzer. I forget about it. I totally forgot about this bronzer. There's so many bronzers out there, but man, this gives me mid-2000 vibes, and I think it's coming back. Ooh, there's eyeshadow. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, we're using this as a new eyeshadow palette for fall because those are beautiful colors. Let me test it out. Pigment is as it should be. For Nars, yes, 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 yes. Okay. This is the Taj Mahal. That is it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining in. If you want a chance to win a giveaway box, all you have to do is in the comments, let me know why you want to win it. Make sure you're subscribed. That's another thing. If you want an extra entry, go ahead and toggle thumbs up on this video. I'll give you all the details in the description box so you guys know exactly what to do. If you want me to do more of these types of videos, please let me know as well. This is just another aspect of the beauty world, and I love sharing it with you, but if you feel like it's like boring and like, then also let me know too, because I need your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe because it really helps my channel out. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.